Want to create a professional infographic slide in just 5 minutes? Let's design a fully animated charging battery layout in PowerPoint. I'll show you step by step how to do it. Start with a blank slide. First, go to the Insert tab, select a rectangle shape, and make it cover the entire slide. Now, head back to the Insert tab and add a rounded rectangle shape. Draw the rectangle in the center of your slide and set its dimensions to 5.60 inches by 3.25 inches. Once you've done that, ensure your rounded rectangle is perfectly centered on the slide. Next, insert a smaller rounded rectangle shape over the first one, align it in the center. Now, select the background rectangle first, then the two rounded rectangles. Go to Shape Format, click Merge Shapes, and choose the Combine option. Right-click on this shape, go to Format Shape, and choose a gradient fill. Adjust the gradient colors to create a visually stunning background. Then, add a white outline and change its width to 6 points for that professional touch. Let's create the charging battery design. Insert a rectangle shape with dimensions of 1.10 inches by 3.40 inches. Place it at the bottom center of your custom shape. Change its color and remove the outline. Now, duplicate this rectangle and place it over the first one. Change the color for each rectangle. Repeat this process until you have 5 stacked rectangles, each with a distinct color. This will form the sections of our charging battery. After aligning all rectangles, select them and use the Send Backward option to place them behind the custom background shape. You now have a perfect charging battery layout. Now add text details for each section of the design. Position the text neatly in each rectangle to indicate the details for your infographic. Once your text is ready, duplicate the slide 5 times to create a total of 6 slides. Then, go to the first slide, select all the contents, and move them to the bottom of the slide. On the second slide, keep only the first content and rectangle at the top, moving the rest to the bottom. Repeat this process for the 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th slides, each time revealing only the content that matches each rectangle. Once your alignments are complete, head to the Transitions tab and apply the Morph transition to all slides. And there you have it, a fully animated charging battery infographic slide designed in PowerPoint in just 5 minutes. Impress your audience with this creative and dynamic design. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting PowerPoint tips and tricks. Thanks for watching SlideMaster.